What's good, guys? Today was a good first day at our local pond.
We caught a few good ones today. Watch to the end to find out. I'm recording on my GoPro.
I'm not quite yet, you know.
Alright, which rod am I throwing? Braid? Because last time I broke off on my other one.
I'm throwing braid right now.
Actually, that means I'm gonna have to retie.
You're really gonna retie now?
Well, I have to, because I have waited.
Excuse me. Oh, I'm smashed. Right into the foot.
Watch out.
That was W cast. I wouldn't be surprised if it catch him.
I see my fluke.
Okay, then I get you. Oh, dude, was that my... That wasn't my tank.
Dude, are you freaking kidding me? Well, that's not fun. Now my fluke's dang messed up. There's a fish right here, dude. I can tell you. The last fish, I got it because the minnows were jumping. Cast it right on the minnows, and there's a fish. Well, that didn't work, so that's just great. Antonio, there's a gar. There's a gar right here.
Oh, there's a gar?
Yeah.
Where?
Right in front of me. He's going for my bait. I don't know if he ate it or not.
Where's he at?
He just went down for my bait. I'm gonna pull on it. Should I pull on it?
Oh, yeah, he got it. You see him?
I did. He doesn't have my bait. He just went down to get my bait. I'm not joking. All right, boys. We're taking out the other rod.
Hello.
Oh, she scared me.
Eli, you can walk over there.
Put on the old weightless Texas rig Senko.
Oh, dude, I saw him. Like, I literally saw him flash the green.
You did?
They're over here now.
Where?
No,
Where?
Fluke in here.
No, but where? Just tell me where, cause
This here. Go fluke in here.
it's too late, dude. I already tied on. Oh my gosh, this thing cast a mile.
What is that?
Weightless Senko. You're not throwing a fluke. How deep is it out there?
I don't know. I don't think it's that deep though. Well, obviously deep enough for a 4-pounder, but I mean like.
Got one.
Yes, sir.
I can't hook set to the left, bro. Did you see how?
I mean, yeah, but you gotta get your.
That's what I'm about to
I
do.
wonder if I can skip with this rod.
Well, all I know is I need to get my.
Yeah.
That was my line. I had a couple loose loops and it was smacking the metal.
Bro.
That scared me. I forgot there was a loose loop. Dude, how many freaking fish am I gonna miss? Like, I just want to know right now.
No. Eli, send me that picture. That was fire. Hopefully you'll catch whatever was over there.
Hopefully I can like let some line out. Get over here
I'm gonna let it sink a little more.
so I can hook set to the right.
I think
Oh, it's over the branch.
you'll get it out though.
There we go.
Wait, is that your braid or your fluoro?
Fluoro.
Oh yeah.
I already got it out.
Yeah, for some reason those trees are easy to get out of. I mean, I'm not complaining.
Dude, I already have hella tension. That's a fish.
Yes, sir. Did you get it?
Maybe.
Oh no, I saw. You made a
Dude, it's a freaking fish. Who the hell cares?
I'm learning.
Okay, no, I don't need to.
I need to practice landing them.
It's recording and I'm so happy about it.
Yeah.
Can I practice landing
Eli, can you goof?
No.
Oh, he's probably like a 1.5.
Dude, look at that hook set. I ripped it right through his upper lip.
Yeah, that's the hard part. I knew you were gonna get a fish on that guy.
Dude, you see how hard I hook setted that?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, what's wrong with him, dude? Look at this.
Is there something wrong?
Yeah,
Oh, dang.
what's that?
Parasite.
Probably.
All I know is that right through the upper lip, dude.
Dude, you literally tore that.
Oh yeah, any day. Any day of the damn week.
It's probably a parasite in this bill.
Oh,
He's
shoot.
probably gonna die.
Who cares, dude? It's on the other side, too. Come here, buckaroo.
Gonna be in your side of the picture.
No, what's he gonna do is he's gonna freaking kill me. Oh, he's got a... Yo, there's a giant scar down his body.
Probably from the line.
Probably from a freaking bird. Can this guy, like, calm down for 2 seconds, please? Dude, who cares?
From, what's it called? From like when he was smaller. Dang, he's fat.
Oh, he's chubby. Show the
Bro,
camera.
Why isn't the 4 chubby though?
The old chubby boy.
Let me see. I just saw. Oh yeah. I'm letting my bleep sink a little more.
Alright, it's still recording.
Oh, something just jumped right there. Hopefully the bite got turned on.
Come on, let's go. Thank you.
Sir. I love seeing this come on.
Dude, my hands are disgusting. Alright, we're ready for a fluke. The old freshie.
Okay, I'm going back in the shade.
Dude, it's freaking hot. Antonio, we should let the fans know what our PVs are.
You know, an outstanding 7 pounds.
And mine's an amazing, insane, highly 5.5 pounds, so.
I mean, that's still
Mine's
not
like
bad.
really insane with
Watch out, dude.
5 pounds.
Oh, that was
Oh, that was booty.
weird.
You got something? No, you don't. Did you get hit?
Yep. Man, those first one over there. Dude, he smacked it. Look at that.
I mean, you know me. Of course, I'm going to cast right where you just got hit.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
Because then I catch what and then you'll see how big it was.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a friendly.
See, I just wanted to see how big the 7 pounder was. I don't know, I was just thinking.
Yeah, because I freaking hooked up on that crap.
Oh my gosh.
Only if I had had my freaking braid.
Oh, you saw that.
Oh.
I knew that was gonna end up happening. I would let mine sink a little bit.
Frick that, dude.
Oh, bro, you got in that stance and I was ready for you to just...
No, I was just readjusting my freaking legs because they hurt. Oh.
Oh, I saw it. Did you get...
Bigger.
Come here,
Watch out.
No. Where's the line at?
I don't know, dude. It's fluorocarbon. Find it.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah, he's so
he's
scared.
like 3.5.
No, I don't need the scale.
Oh, I thought it
Dude,
was like
let's
really
go.
Bro, I just saw you.
Let's go, baby.
I
Make sure it's
thought you
recording.
were with it, and I thought it was like.
Oh, my strap just came out done. Your boy don't gut hook. Oh, that's a problem.
Bro, why does this 4
It's
look...
not a gut hook, it's a gill hook.
Oh, shit. Look how small that fish looks.
Yeah, I might need your help.
I got you. Dude, I think that's the 3 I caught.
Dude, where's the hook end?
If I see it blow
This is
up,
not
blow
good,
up
boys.
in the air, just like that, I'm going...
Oh, I see the end. It's right here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need some help.
Well, get me when I'm not fishing.
Dude, I don't have time for you to fish. We gotta fish. We gotta fish his life at stake here.
Okay, where the hell is it? Give me the pliers, I can get it.
It's okay, so it's a little wrapped around. It's like through the hook and then stabbed right here. It's through the gill and then stabbed into the skin right here on the edge. You'll see it. Try it. I'll give you more slack.
I don't even know what the fuck this is.
Who, Eli?
Yeah.
I don't really care, to be honest.
The best thing to do is just try and get it out.
Nah, really?
Because there's no way of saving it like a gut hook.
You literally gotta be kidding me.
What?
My green scissors fell out of my backpack.
When?
Am I recording?
Yeah.
Yep. Dude, this is not fun. He's not bleeding that much, so
Got that.
that's good. See, he's not bleeding that much.
He's not.
That's a good thing.
So that means he got gill hooked before. Or,
I think it's just, he's an absolute beast.
yeah, he's a dub like that.
Might as well get a good angle of you doing this, because I don't
Got
know.
it.
Because you're the boss of unhooking stuff.
Yeah. He's almost out. Got it.
Yes, sir.
You want me to just throw him in now?
Nah, fam. I need a picture of him. I don't care. Oh.
Dude, that's a beast in it.
If he was bleeding out gallons right now, I'd throw him back, but he's not.
Wait, check his gill though. Check his gill. I'm pretty sure it punctured, but...
Well, obviously.
Oh, he's pretty fat too.
He's not bleeding a lot, so he's chilling.
Yeah, he's an actual beast right now. He's beasting.
He's fat, dude.
Oh, I'm on. Oh.
No way. You're scaring me. Alright, I'm recording.
I was on.
Alright, you got this, buddy.
I knew it. Yeah, turn him, like, face his head towards the stick.
Oh, he's biting me. You got it. Come on, buddy.
Bro, we just found a W spot, bro. Thank you, baby.
I see water turbulence from his gills.
Yeah.
Or his fins.
Okay, but we have to agree that
Oh!
he was ready, dude.
Oh, your boy just had a heart attack. Dude, he was just chilling there. And then I moved my
enjoying the movement.
I moved my thumb and he went crazy, dude.
Oh my god.
Holy crap. W.
Watch out.
1 second.
Actually, no.
Dude, that's a
Dude,
W.
we're racking the big ones right now. How big do you think he was?
I think it's 2.5, 3. I mean, that's not bad.
Oh, that was a W cast right there. Oh my gosh, he's big. Oh, he's big. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, he's big.
Like 4 pounds?
Yeah.
Get the scale, kid.
You get the scale. I'm landing the fish.
Yeah, let Caden land it. Let Caden land it. Dude, he smacked.
Imagine it's the same fish I had.
Go. Land it. Land him. Oh, he was. Oh.
He was fine.
Oh, he's a 5. How big do you think he is?
How fat is he?
It kind of looks like the same fish I caught. To be honest.
Honestly. And I got it recorded.
Yeah, I got it recorded too.
Yes, sir. Okay, here, let me see.
Here. Dude, that's the same fish I had. Mine was 3.9.
It's a 3.88. Looked like a 4, but
Dude, mine was 3.9. No
Wait,
way.
does he have a hook in his mouth?
I think it's
Nah,
the same fish.
I think he swallowed it.
It's gotta be the same fish.
It's gotta be.
Dude.
Dude, he looked Hank. Oh, my bad.
Dude.
No, my bad.
We're gonna have to bleep that out.
He's a bleeping tank. Dude, look at that.
Yeah,
Bro, look at that. Do you just want to call him a 4?
Yeah.
Nobody broke that
Here.
5 yet.
I
No, I
got
got
you.
it. I got it.
Oh yeah, you're right. I didn't think about that.
didn't you?
You want to? Oh, he's skinny.
He's
yeah,
long
just like
though.
mine.
Wait. We're stuck in between a hard rock. Go.